As you enter the gates of Botanical Place, you know this is one of those prestigious communities that has something special to offer. The meticulously designed neighborhood is thoughtful, classic, timeless. The home is designed by architect James Carter.
This house, James Carter designed it. He's just so terrific on details, and he really put his stamp on this development. The owners were so involved with the project as well in the finishing portion of it, so they got beautiful old timber and just some special things that I think makes it more of a unique, customized home. But James, I think, does a great job with space and details. I think the entrance is so pretty with his moldings, and he's incredibly talented.
It has spacious rooms, antique beams repurposed from an old warehouse in Pennsylvania, a classic shake roof, details of the home that only the best architect can execute. 454 Botanical Place, an opportunity to live in one of the premier locations in Mountain Brook, walking distance to the quaint shops of English Village, and minutes to the upscale shops and restaurants of Mountain Brook Village. The magnificent gardens become an extension of the home with a large screened-in porch, a manicured backyard, and a beautiful terrace.
I'm Stephanie Robinson. Thank you for viewing my listing. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions.